Hi guys, welcome back. This is Meherun if you're new here, and today I have got you this look right here, which is a very glam green, smoky, little bit glittery. If you guys know me, I love glitters eyes. And the best part is this is all using drugstore products, and the only thing I have cheated a little bit, which is I have used just the glitters in the inner corners of my eyes, which are from Urban Decay. That was the only product which is not from drugstore, but you can use whatever glitter liners you have at home. That will give you the exact same effect. So without further delay, let's get started getting ready with me with this look right here. I hope you guys enjoy time with me. Until then, stay blessed.
Hi guys, so I chose this NYX Angel Veil Primer and Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth Foundation. This primer is oil-free and makes a smooth canvas, and this foundation is Holy Grail from drugstore. This gives a beautiful dewy finish. I used a Morphe sponge to blend it in. This Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Pencil is quite waxy and quick to fill in brows. And the L'Oreal Brow Artist Plumper is my all-time favorite brow setting gel. It's like super glue for your brows. This Maybelline Color Tattoo is quite similar to MAC paint pots. It doesn't crease, covers all uneven tones of your eyelid. Set the primer using any translucent powder so that all we put on top of it goes smoothly. I chose this Morphe 39A palette. This has got quite a good range of shades, very pigmented, and for the price point, you can't go wrong with it. Using these two shades as transition color, applying on and above the crease, slowly building up the shade. To give the crease more depth, using a darker brown just on the crease, place the brush on the crease, keeping your eyes open to find the exact point where to place this shadow. Using this matte green shades to deepen the outer corner and bringing it just to the midpoint of the crease, not all the way in the inner corner. Using this gorgeous metallic green on a flat top brush to pack on the shade on the inner two-thirds of the lid, and I'm using this wet for opacity. Then use this darker metallic green on the outer V to create a nice gradient of shades, also to add some depth. Use this brown and black to deepen up the very outer corner of the eyes. This creates a beautiful smoky effect. Using these warmer tones of brown to blend everything in on the outer crease so that there is no prominent harsh edges of eyeshadows. Then I finished the rest of the face. As we are done with the top lid eyeshadows, I used my trusty Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. This stuff is incredible, guys. I really like this stuff. And then to cream contour, I used the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Toasted. I really like this one. It blends in so well. To set the whole face, use this Bourjois Healthy Balance powder. This gives such a flawless finish to the skin. It doesn't look cakey, best for touch-ups as well. And I think I can easily compare it with my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Powder. This palette from Makeup Revolution is life, you guys. Especially the contour shade, not too grey, not too warm, perfect in between for medium tan skin tones, and it blends in like butter. Using these to set the cream contour. Can you guys tell I quite like this Makeup Revolution brand? This highlighting palette is very pigmented, gives such a creamy buttery finish, and it stays on your face like forever. So mix these 3 shades to highlight the cheekbones, top of my nose, Cupid's bow, and on top of my brows as well. I am obsessed with it. This L'Oreal Infallible Blush Palette has got quite a good range of shades for medium skin tones. They are very pigmented, so use a light hand while using this. I mixed these 2 shades and applied on the apples of my cheeks, and then to blend everything in together, I used a stippling brush and swipe it over the perimeters of my face. Then off camera I popped on my falsies. Now let's finish off the lower lash line. Now to line my lower and upper waterline, I used this Maybelline Infallible Black Gel Liner. This stuff will not budge. It's gonna stay in your waterline through thick and thick. Through thick and thin, that's how they say it, right? And now to smoke out the lower lash line, we used the same 2 matte green shades that we used on our top lid. Then using this bronzy shade in the inner half of the lower lash line. This shade has a green undertone which tied the whole look so beautifully. Blending in all the edges of the lower lash line. And after you put on your falsies, you can see where to add more colors. So that's what I'm doing here, adding some black and brown just on the outer V and giving it all a final blend. This look looks brilliant just like this, but I wanted a little extra oomph, so I added this Urban Decay glitter liner just in the inner corner of the lid and feathered it out towards the middle. This added such gorgeous sparkle to the smoky eye. And I love glitters, guys. I just love glitters. Then to hide the lash band, I used this Rimmel Scandalized Precision Micro Eyeliner. This one is my favorite liner from the drugstore, high street, however you call it. Then finish off the look using this L'Oreal False Lash Sculpt Mascara. If you guys like long voluminous lashes, look no further. This one is my staple, as in mascara in my stash. This is the lip combo that I chose, and I'm really glad I did so because it created such an unique shade. Loved it. So first I used this shade. It's number 12 from Bourjois Rouge Velvet Edition. Then on top I use this shade. It's all from the same range, and it's number 32. And then to finish up I used this. This is number 84, Peach Club, or 04. I can't see. So that's the finished look, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed spending time with me. And if you like, please comment, share and subscribe. Bye!